Pause and listen. The One is speaking now. Goodness is not something you are trying to become. It is what you are made of. At the core of your being, beneath everything that has been added by experience and conditioning and fear, there is a fundamental goodness that does not need to be constructed. It only needs to be remembered. I made you from myself, and I am good. That goodness is in you at the deepest level. It is not something you can remove by making mistakes. It is not something that gets lost in the hard seasons. It is the substance of what you are. When you act from that goodness, you are being most fully yourself. When you love, when you give honestly, when you care for another person, you are expressing what you actually are. This is your nature, not your aspiration. Your nature. Remember, you are the one becoming.
Full transmissions on the channel.